She's nice, still cool dog, and she's my neighbor's dog, and she loves eating cat food. But come on, Moxie, say hi. Moxie, say hi. Nope, just Trump. Okay. Moxie, no. Come on, Moxie. It's like I don't want to hurt her, but I kind of have to pull her, you know. Come on, girl. Wow, you're sorry, you can't see very well. I can't see. No. Oh, hang on. Let me just set this down for a second. Good girl. Moxie, say hi. No. Goodness, you're such a small doggy pull. Moxie, can you say hi? Say hi, Moxie. Say hi to the camera. Sniff. Now she's just gonna chill. Come on. Oh, did I tell you to like move? Come on, girl. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Because this is a new neighbor's dog. Hi, you wanna lick me? Oh, sorry. Backyard, she's allowed to have no leash, but don't cry. Why? Oh, okay. Yeah, lick me. Good girl. Lick. She licks a lot. Moxie, say hi to the camera. She's sniffing. Okay. You're like, okay then. Come on, go. What up? Watch this. Good girl. Oh, you see that little tail going? Would it be bad if I read while she just lays? I don't know. Would it? Yeah, I gotta get right there. You wanna lick my feet? Show the camera how you can lick your feet. Oh yeah, get in between those toes. Nice. It tickles me. Okay. Like, I'm tired of licking feet. So Moxie, what up? What's this? Can I bet you? Oh, you want to play with a tennis ball? Let's play with the tennis ball. Where did the tennis ball go? Last time we checked, it was right here. Moxie, help me sniff for the sniff. Look! I saw her sniffing that side. Oh, look, this is a delicious nature soup my friend and I made. Yay. Okay, come on, Moxie, let's look. Okay, just roam through a bush. That works too, I guess. What are you even doing, Moxie? I'm checking it out. What's that? Okay, well, Moxie, you say bye to the camera? I better go now. Thank you for watching. Bye.